All right, guys, today I wanted to do an unboxing review on the TowerTop battery charger. I do want to thank TowerTop for sending this out to me to review. But let's go ahead and dig into it, see how it works. I will let you know I'm by no means like a car expert or anything like that. So we'll all learn together. Instruction manual right there. What I do know, it's good to have these. Damn, that's cool. All right, I'm gonna hook it up just to kind of see some of the functions that are on here. And then here are your cables right here, your connectors. Feel good, they are made out of plastic, but I feel like they have really, really good grip. This uses a standard outlet. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it works. Okay, and once I have it hooked up to my battery and to the outlet, you just hit that start button. I'm gonna go just through all of the 8 settings that it has. So it has 1 for battery desulfation, 2 for soft start, 3 for bulk charging, 4 for absorption, 5 for battery analysis, 6 for battery recondition, 7 for float charging, and then last is for pulse maintenance. One of the cool features that I did notice, it does have full automatic charging. So just basically it will start charging the battery if it recognizes that it needs it. One of the other things that I liked, it has multiple protections in winter mode. So it does have like a spark proof, reverse polarity, overcharge, discharge, over voltage, things like that. And then it could also help you during the winter. So it'll increase the voltage as well. So if you're looking for a good smart battery charger, I would highly recommend this one by TowerTop. Definitely a 10 out of 10.